Did you know that 80% of millionaires are self-made? Most of the world's wealthiest individuals weren't born into their wealth. They created it through daily habits. After learning about and applying these habits to my own life, my income tripled, and I became more productive. In this video, I'll share some of these habits and how you can apply them to your life. Let's dive in. 1. Choose your friends wisely. Choosing good friends is like picking the right team for your journey in life. It's super important. Imagine this. If your friend does something, it might affect you too. Like, if your friend becomes a bit too heavy, there's a chance you might also gain some weight. Like 45% more likely. That's what studies say. But wait, it's not just your friend. Even a friend of your friend can have an impact, around 20%. That's why you need to be really careful about the pals you hang out with. Your friends are like puzzle pieces that make up your future picture. So, be a bit picky about your friends. Choose the ones who inspire you to be your best self. If your friends are positive and cool, chances are you'll be too. But if they're not so great, it might rub off on you. Surround yourself with friends who make you feel good and help you reach your goals. Remember, your friends are like the superheroes in your story, shaping how your life adventure unfolds. Be smart about it, and your journey will be even more awesome. 2. Step out of your comfort zone. Imagine your life is a big, comfy blanket. But guess what? The best stuff happens when you step out of that cozy blanket. My YouTube adventure was like that. Starting it was tough, like climbing a tall mountain. I felt scared when people laughed at my videos. But you know what? Facing those fears made me strong. Think of it this way. If you always stay in your comfy zone, you'll never discover your hidden superpowers. Life's exciting when you try new things, even if they seem a bit scary at first. So don't be afraid to step out, spread your wings, and see how high you can fly. Remember, every success story starts with a little challenge. My YouTube channel went from 0 subscribers to blowing up, but that meant dealing with negativity. Some people laughed, but I kept going. If I stayed comfy, I'd miss out on the amazing journey I'm on now. So, don't be afraid of the unknown. Embrace the challenges, because that's where the magic happens. The best things in life are waiting for you just beyond your comfy blanket. Take a deep breath, step out, and let the adventure begin. 3. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Imagine you have a magic shield that protects you from feeling left out. It's called Don't Buy Into FOMO. FOMO means feeling like you're missing out on the fun stuff your friends do. You see, friends often share pictures of cool things they do, like going on big holidays, buying new cars, or having super fun times. But here's the secret. Just because they're doing it doesn't mean you have to. Sometimes it feels like everyone's having a party and you're not invited. But guess what? Your magic shield helps you resist the pressure. If you give in every time, you might miss out on something really awesome later in life. Imagine if you spent that time working on yourself or your dreams. There's a wise saying, the starting point of all achievements is desire. It means having strong wishes leads to great results. So even if your friends are doing cool stuff, it's okay to say no sometimes. Instead, focus on what makes you happy and what you really want. That way, you're not missing out. You're creating your own fantastic journey. Remember, you're building a special story just for you. Don't let the fear of missing out take the sparkle away. Shine bright, follow your path, and make your own magic. 4. The Millionaire Pyramid. Picture success like a giant mountain you're climbing. It's like a journey to the top where cool things happen. This journey is like a pyramid, wide at the bottom and narrow at the top. The cool part is, as you go up, it gets harder, but the rewards get super big. Now imagine there's a big crowd at the bottom, all starting the climb. But here's the trick. As things get tough, many people stop climbing. So, the higher you go, the less crowded it gets. It's like a big adventure. And the challenges are part of the story. Think of it like this. If you want something really special, you have to face challenges. Imagine trying to catch a beautiful butterfly. It might fly high and be a bit tricky, but once you catch it, it's worth it. The same goes for your big dreams. Sure, there might be tough moments, but that's a sign you're on the right track. It's like going through a tough level in a video game. It means you're getting better. Challenges make success even sweeter. So, when things get tricky, remember you're part of something big. Keep going, face the challenges, and soon you'll reach the top of your own special pyramid. It's your journey, and the best part is yet to come. 5. Solutions over problems. Let's play a game of finding solutions, not problems. Imagine you have a superhero cape called Solutions Over Problems. Successful people wear this cape because they believe every tricky puzzle has a way out. It's like being a superhero who always saves the day. When problems show up, don't panic. Instead of thinking about why something won't work, put on your superhero cape and ask, how can I make this work for me? It's like having a magical key that opens doors to cool possibilities. Worries are like sheep. They stick together. If you start thinking about one problem, more problems join in, and soon you feel overwhelmed. But the real magic happens when you focus on solutions. It's like turning on a bright light in a dark room. Think of problems like little dragons, and you're the brave knight with the Solutions Over Problems cape. You can conquer anything. Successful people don't let worries stop them. They see challenges as exciting adventures, not scary monsters. So next time a problem tries to sneak into your thoughts, put on your superhero cape. Be the problem-solving superhero in your story. Remember, every problem has a solution. You just need to find it. Get ready for a superhero adventure where you save the day with solutions. 6. Have a think day. Imagine having a special day just for thinking. It's like a think day where your mind gets to stretch and grow. Bill Gates, who's like a computer genius, used to do this. He called it Think Week. He'd find a quiet place, turn off all the buzzing phones, and spend a whole week just thinking, reading, and learning. It's like a mini vacation for the brain. Now, I might not have a whole week, but I started doing think days. Once a month, I take a break from everything. No phone, no laptop. It's like giving my brain a cozy room with lots of space. I spend the day reading cool stuff, jotting down thoughts, and learning new things. Think of it as a superhero training day for your brain. When you give your mind this special time, it's like you're giving it superpowers. You can zoom out and look at your life from a big picture view. It's like having a treasure map, and you're figuring out the best way to find the treasure. Life can get busy, like a buzzing beehive, and we forget to check if we're heading in the right direction. But with a think day, you press pause, take a step back, and make sure you're on the right path. It's like having a compass for your dreams. So if you can, try a think day. Your brain will thank you, and who knows, you might discover some amazing treasures along the way. These habits have transformed my life. I'm in a different place today, all thanks to these practices. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.